Alrighty guys, got another quick walkthrough for you. Today we're looking at a 2004 Winnebago Vectra 40 AD. This is a triple slide diesel pusher, the 400 Cummins in it. If I'm not mistaken, it's the 8.9 liter ISL, paired with the 3000 series Allison 6-speed transmission. We're gonna run through the exterior here and then we'll jump inside, see what's going on in there. 275 ADR, 22.5 on the tires. They're dated mid-2014, so about 6 years old, and they're all Michelin X tires. Here's your first compartments. As you can see, they're pretty much all connected right here. They're massive. There's 4 separate compartment doors. Awning control right there on top of one inside. You can see it goes nice and deep in there. The guy built a custom little shelf for more storage, and there's technically a pass-through there. It's small, but if we need to store like some skis or something, they'll definitely fit. All right. Coach is full body paint, so it's not just stickers. You got a clear coat on it. And then here's kind of an outdoor entertainment center. A couple speakers, CD player. Put a TV out here. Awning is electric. Just comes out with a push of the button. Same with the door awning too. I just got to fix that. I think the motor went out. See, all your batteries right here are all on slide trays, which is a plus. Easy to replace, easy to access. If these batteries don't hold a 90% charge, I put brand new interstates in them. You got 2 window awnings. They are manual pullouts, but they do have metal covers just like the main awning, which is nice. And then this is the true air system, the basement AC. So you got an outtake and intake on both sides, no rooftop ACs. See a backup camera up there. There's a ladder extension and storage. And you see you don't have the big old radiator here, so you'd have a side radiator. You see that Cummins logo right there. It's hard to see, but a little bit easier to access and work on something without a rear radiator. And there it is. Cable master is on a reel, electric reel. You got your big old inverter in there, a light control, a couple solenoids. And you can see the tire here again. You can see that date of 3014, 30th week of 2014. And here's your dump station. See outdoor shower, water fills, gray and black holding tanks, a couple hoses, and then you got your pass through right here too. And then another hose right here, which I thought that was on a reel, but I guess not. It probably is on a reel, probably just needs new fuse or something. There's the other side of that pass through. It's a little dark in there now, but you can see it. And then these next 3 storages are all connected. So, well, I guess that last one's not really a storage, but it has a cover. See right there and right there are all one. So your massive propane tank in there. A little bit harder to get to, but easily, actually not too bad because you have all that room to get under the coach. She's got another power cable here. Awning bars. Fuel fill, which goes right there. And your last final compartment up front. Now this does have the 3M film on it, and that's why it looks so kind of cracked, I guess you could say, or scratched. Under that, it looks beautiful, but that's its sole purpose, is to protect against rocks, protect against fading and peeling. Little air compressor switch, windshield wiper. See your Cummins generator in there, hard to see. It's a quiet diesel 7500, and that'll be plenty to run the AC in here. One more look with the compartments closed. If I'm not mistaken, I think we are going to be fixing that clear coat up top. Don't quote me on it, but I'm almost positive we are. All right, let's jump inside. Freightliner chassis, 400 Cummins, always a good mix. Right when you walk into your left, battery disconnect, awning controls. This is pretty cool. You can hear that. Compartment lock and unlock right from the door. Same with the door. And then what do we got? Porch light, seat light. Nothing too crazy. One thing older Winnebagos have, you say, oh wow, they're all here. You have walkie-talkies, which is pretty cool. And they're literally all here. That's pretty abnormal. There we go. All right, let me shut this door, try to keep some of the AC in. You'll see the temperature here, it's crazy hot. All right, here's your first look. Posing slides up front, and then you got another slide in the back, but we'll get there in a second. Alrighty, let's start this motor up. Starter, can't even hear it. Don't worry about that noise filling up with air. Alright, so we got visors, driver and passenger. See how coming down, it's the sun visor. You can adjust your pedals, forward and back. Mirror heat, mirror controls, that's 3000 series 6-speed transmission. Engine brake, battery boost, defrost fan, fog lights. Oh, you got a step cover control right here. See how that lifts up, and that will hold quite a bit of weight. Very nice. Let me pull this down. All right, so miles, 36,095. Here's the kicker. That's why I got the AC on. It's 115 out. Oh, very nice. See your backup camera right there. Little multimedia AM, FM radio, a couple slide controls. First time I was in a Vectra trying to find the slide controls here. Let me tell you, it took me a while. Nice little storage area there. Can't fit much, but you do have a cup holder on the left side, and there's actually a nice little kind of a cord power DC outlet. And then finally, speakers, more locks, radio power, all that good stuff. All right, we won't go through every little compartment, but I'll show you kind of the gist of them. Got these two on the left, and you got a small little one right here. As you can see, for an 04, you don't have a TV right up front, which is one of my favorite things about this Vectra. I know it's small, but a TV viewing location is a big deal. You must have a wine guard system up top. And of course, little shades here and there. You got one that wraps all the way around. See one on the other side too. Now seats, I love Winnebago. They started as a furniture company back in the 60s, and their leather just really holds up. I mean, obviously this thing's 16 years old, so you'll get a couple little creases here, but no rips, no tears. After we give it a good clean, and this thing will look really good. Same with the driver's seat here. Really not bad at all in terms of wear. You can see your electric seat there, and that's flip to turn it. And on the other side, you got the same concept. But you also have a leg rest that comes up with, there you go, so pretty cool. Passenger will be nice and comfortable. All right, let's check out the main galley. So we're gonna start on the left side here. On the left side, your slide goes from this corner all the way down past the fridge, past the pantry right there. This is what I was talking about, the TV. If you're sitting here on the couch, look at that, perfect. Eye level, right in front of you. You don't have to break your neck to wash it. Down below, you got a little bit of storage. You can see all your files in there. TV does have a little bit of room behind, especially in 04 when they only had thick TVs. And you can see your switch box, Blu-ray player, more storage. Oh, they had a whole custom line in here. And then to the right, your dinette and storage. So this dinette, actually not too bad. 2 standalone seats, and that will, it's going to be hard to do with one hand, but this will pull out. There is a leaf, and there is going to be 2 more chairs. And these massive windows. These are all day and night shades, so you got your daytime and nighttime all in one. A little bit of storage down below, and then you got these 3 drawers. And then there's actually some storage under the dinette to a good amount. And that is the same on the other side here, where you have all those same exact storages. Power controls, Ethernet, a couple light controls there, individual lights. And then, even more so, we got your 4-door fridge. This is the, it looks like the 8 cubic foot fridge. So bottom fridge, top freezer, top left should be an ice maker. And then your ice maker, and then I love me a good Winnebago pantry. Very cool. Nice and big. It's all solid wood in here, being an 04. Built very well. This does slide in and out to get completely tucked away, but with it there, does give you quite a bit more storage. Obviously not right here, but they got more. There we go. And they put in another shelf to give you a little bit even more storage space. But we'll get there in a second. So the couch, good old classic Winnebago electric couch. So you have this kind of center console with a little bit of storage that will lift up and go out of place. And then a good little, I don't know, magazine area. But under the fact, you got a pull out leg rest. Comes up with a pull. It's not too bad. A little bit of fading going on the right side. Not sure what happened right here. It's almost like a blue tint, blue hue. But you can let this couch sit flat and it turns into a sleeper. It's actually quite a pretty big sleeping area. And there we go. It's not too bad. A little bit of undulations in it, but overall, pretty decent additional sleeping area. And like I said, just goes up with the push of a button. Winnebago's been doing these couches for I don't know how long, and they're some of my favorite couches in the business. Putting this down with one hand may be a little tough. Let's see. Not too bad. I don't know if you can see, but there are some seat belts under there. You have an individual chair right next to it. And then some storage above. Not too bad. These 4 storages right here. All right, now making our way, finish up the kitchen. Convection microwave, nice and big. You got your stove top under here, 3 burner gas. And then a little storage area there, 3 drawers right here. Storage under the sink. You can see an area to hold the corian covers. Sponge. And your 2-bay sink right here. Sorry about the trash. Literally just got this coach in and it came in so clean. I wanted to take a quick photo, but I'm never gonna miss all the trash. All right, so one little slider door here. Shut off the galley from the bedroom. Got a fantastic fan right above in the bedroom. And then your monitoring system. Inverter, furnace, battery, 341.4 hours on the gen set, engine block heater, and then of course your bathroom. Nice little corner shower, glass doors with a seat. Should be at least 250-pound capacity on those. Had to look it up. You can be 6'1", 6'2" and fit in there just fine. Same corian countertops throughout. Nice little medicine cabinet. And then a little bit of storage under this sink here. Nothing too crazy, but definitely better than nothing. And then right behind us, got your bathroom. China toilet. Storage there. Magazines. So much magazine storage. Fantastic fan in the bathroom too. That is fantastic. And of course a mirror. All right, now making our way in to the bedroom. You do have another little pocket door. It's a double door, as you can see. So if you do have people traveling, you want to just have your bedroom to yourself, you can, and keep the bathroom open. All right, first area. Another second storage area right below. And then finally, your bedroom. Bedroom is on a slide, that corner to that corner. 3 storages above, all connected. Kind of going to be hard to see, but you got them in there. A couple small side tables. That one should be good for a CPAP machine if necessary. Outlets. And then, what is that? Oh, there you go, your breaker box. And then is there any storage below? No storage below it. All right, but in front of us, even more. 6 drawers. Underwear, pants, shorts, socks, whatever, you can fit it. Nice big mirror. TV was upgraded. This was a 2 back in the day. That's why it's such a big little compartment. Big little compartment here. And then down below, combo washer dryer unit. Well, Splendid 2000. Not as efficient as a stack, but definitely better than nothing. And then finally, here's your main wardrobe closet. You can see you got access to the water lines, a little bit of paperwork if you want to see. And finally, on the other side, those two other chairs I was telling you about, more wardrobe storage. Little drawer right there. Oh, it looks like it's a sleep number bed. Pretty cool. Last thing I want to show you guys, all the paperwork I got on here. This thing is a 400 horse motor. Like I said, if you look at the automotive chassis, it doesn't show it, but you're welcome to pause this at any time. That 400 was quite a big upgrade. Some of the other ones only had a 330 in them to a 350. Once again, 2004 Winnebago Vectra 40 AD. 36,000 miles, Allison transmission, full body paint, 3 slides, beautiful coach for the age. This is here at Pedada RV Center in Tucson, Arizona. You're welcome to come view it, check it out, take it out on a test drive. Come on in and ask for Taylor Quayle. I'll be here to help you out. Our phone number is 520-807-0900. Thank you so much for viewing. Have a great day.